Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Cortez, and in this video we go and learn how to create this restaurant menu with some optional things. For example, the menu of pizza, salad and starter. Next one is about window, for example about your restaurant, your chef and opening hours, and some important thing, contact with your admins of your site and another things, and some entry for name, old, the date, and some message of special request and send a message to admins. And yes, we learn how to create this app with Python. Okay guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's go. Okay guys, first thing, we need some modules for create this app. First one is tkinter for graphical user interface or GUI. Okay, from tkinter import. Okay, next one is pillow module. Import peel from peel. Import image tk and image for placing your image of your foods to your list. Next one is import pandas for making some foods price on a little database. And last one is import time for making and place the time of your app. Okay, next thing, we need some create some window. Okay, we need to type window equal tk window dot title. Title, it's menu, and I place window dot state. State in zoomed. And window dot resizable is false and false. And window dot config is background. Background is sharp 20, 22, 24. And last one is window dot main loop parentheses. Okay guys, we create the graphical app and making the background and the geometry of your app. And next one, we make this label and the menu and these buttons: home, menu, about and contact. Okay, let's go. First one is first label is the menu label. Okay, first label is the label in the window, and the text is the menu, and its PG is sharp 20, 22 and 24, and that's FG color is sharp 6F, and its last one is the font. It's Emitic SC. Its font size is 40, and that's bold. And we need first label dot place at x is 600 and y is 20. Okay, let's go for C. first label. Okay, you can see the menu like this. Yes. And okay, next one, we need the buttons. The first one is the menu button. Menu button is the button in the window, and the text is menu. Oh, sorry, and that's font. It's like that's first label, but we need some little font size. Okay, it's this one. Okay, it's 25 and it doesn't bold. It doesn't bold. And some BG color or background color is 20 sharp and 20, 22, 24, and that's FG color is white or F6F, and that's width. Oh, width is 8. And the last thing we need to menu button dot place at x equal 0 and y equal 0. Okay, you can see this button is here. It's menu button. And okay. Oh, I placed this to 25. Okay. Next one, we need of 3 remaining of these buttons. Okay.
Next one is about button. About button. It takes it about. And like this, and x and y is x is 99 and y is 0. Next one is contact button. Contact button. And text is contact. And that's x is 198. And the last one is members. Members button. And the text is members. And its x is 297.
Okay, let's go and see. Yes, okay, that's really it's good. And next thing, we need some a time label for show the time. Okay, we need some label. Okay, we need to have time label equal label in window. Label in window, and its text is nothing. I say for what, and its font is Arial. It's 30, and that's bold, and that's PG color is 20, 22, 22, 24, and that's FG color is yellow. You can see yellow, and we need to time label dot place at x is 100. 1200, and that's y is 10. Okay, you can see that doesn't don't anything in here, and because we need some function to make this time. Okay, we go in here and here and type the function is def show time. Go here to the here and type a string oh, now we can do time equal time dot strf time, and go to the here in the capital person. Where's the person? percent capital I, okay, percent capital M, and percent capital S. We don't need P, okay, and here store of time is okay. And next thing, we need to time label label dot configure, and that text is string time, and last one is time label dot after 1000, okay, show time. Okay, if you run again your app, you can see why it doesn't work. It's 102,000, please. Because we need to type here show time, and we need to call them function. Okay, we need to call the function, and okay, let's go. Here you can see the time. Okay guys, now we go and make these buttons and this function of these buttons, and it's done for this part. Okay, we need 3 buttons and 3 functions for these buttons. Okay, first one is pizza button. It's a button in the window, and the text is pizza, and that's FC color is white, is sharp 6F, and that's BG color is black. It's BG color is black, is sharp 60, and that's width is 25, and okay, and the font is some atomic here, but this one is 25. I think it's good. And okay, we need here, okay, and okay, bold, atomic, and okay, and we need to here go to the pizza button dot place. That's x equal 260, and y equal for example 100, and okay, let's see here. Okay, next one, we need for 2 button like pizza button. Okay, okay, next one. Okay, let's go and see. Here you can see that the here, but we can take this one. Okay, please. It's 180 180 for going down from this label. Okay, so 50 is the best number for starter and solid and pizza. Okay, we need to go for this button of functions. Okay, let's go. First one is def pizza. Okay, first one is the pizza, and it's very easy. It's a pizza button. Pizza button dot configure. Configure. That's pg equal. You can type this sharp f 44 53 and 6. And next one is the solid button is black, 6 here, and the starter button is black. Okay, and we need this one too. The salad and starter. Okay, and we need to get here to the salad. Okay, and here is pizza button, and go for here and make this one, and here is pizza button. Okay, and we need to command this function to your app. For example, for pizza button is command is pizza. Okay, here and here, and here is salad. And last one is starter. Okay, and you can see when I click on pizza, salad and starter. Okay guys, it's good for this part. We make some buttons like here, and the menu label like this, and the time label. Next we go and make this one, this background and the window geometry like this. And in the next part we go and make this scroll label frame and make these labels with the buttons, and going for about and contact window. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this course of the restaurant menu project, please like my video and subscribe my channel. I place this menu file, restaurant menu file project, to my Discord channel, and you can join my Discord channel. I place my Discord channel address in description. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.
Don't